central air conditioning. First, warm air is sucked into the return register from the space. It passes through the air filter, then moves into the evaporator, which removes the heat with a refrigerant. The cool air is then blown into the space by a fan. The warm air is transferred to the condenser, which pushes the air outside. The compressor then sends more refrigerant to the evaporator, and the process continues again to continually cool the space in the
Benefits of central air conditioning are that in every room you'll have a constant air temperature and constant air pressure. Another pro is that central air conditioning uses air filters to give you clean air in your whole home. The last pro to central air conditioning system by Zella is that you can add a heating component to help keep your house nice and warm when you come back from a long day of hunting and you're cold. The cons of the central air conditioning would be that you have a higher energy bill since you constantly have air usage running through your house. Also, you have a lot of ductwork, which means you got to do a lot of maintenance. If it molds and it's not getting taken care of, it'll make for a stinky house. Also, you gotta clean the air filters. That takes maintenance as well. Another thing is adding a heater gives you even more ductwork, which means even more maintenance. Now, Zella,